guys, welcome back to Crafty. This is me Shahina and this is your Shahrukh. In this video we're gonna see how to make veg fried momos. If you're new to this channel, then click the subscribe button. Click the bell icon near to the subscribe button and click all to never miss the current updated videos. First of all, we're gonna be making a dough. For that we will need 1 cup of maida, 3 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of salt, and lastly needed amount of water. Let's take a bowl and a plate and let's add 1 cup of maida and half a teaspoon of salt. Let's equally mix it. And then we will add 3 tablespoons of oil, and you will have to do as I am doing using my fingers. Do it until the oil disappears. And then finally we are going to be adding the water and let's knead it to make a dough. Here's the dough. Using a plate, cover it and keep it aside. Now for making the fillings, here we have grated cabbage, which is around half a cup. And here comes half a cup of carrot, which is also grated. And then half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup, half a teaspoon of chili powder. Instead of ketchup and the chili powder, even you can add chili sauce. The rested dough comes, which was being kept for at least 10 minutes, and we will keep this aside for some more time until we prepare our fillings. Let's add just now seen ingredients into the bowl and mix it, and our beautiful fillings will be ready to eat. This will be the perfect fillings for momos. Time to handle the dough and let's rest the fillings for some time. Now I am going to be taking a little part from the dough and going to be making a perfect circle. Do the same circles until the dough ends. My dough comes for up to 7 circles, and let's bring out our rolling pin and our dough plate. I'm going to be dusting a little amount of maida on my dough plate, and then I'm going to be rolling out my circles. And this is how it comes. Flatten up all your circles like this. For making momos, we will need flattened up dough, fillings and water. So before you add the fillings to your dough, just mix it once and then add. And this water helps you for easily shaping up your momo. So you should just apply this on the edges of the dough. And then here comes the shape. I'm going to be doing up to 3 shapes, 3 types of momos. All 3 types are very easy to make, where you will need a little amount of practice. And the first shape that I'm doing is very easy as well. And this is something that you're doing like a leaf shaped momo. And the second momo, as you have to do the same thing, just add the fillings and apply water on the edges. You have to fold it entirely. This is something which is a basic model of momo where every people do it. Our second type of momo is ready. Now comes the third type, where you have to do the same as the filling and applying the water on the edges. And this is something which is different than comparing the other 2 momos, where this is something like a braiding hairstyle. So yes, our 3 types of momos are ready. This is the plate where my momos meet and they are ready to climb into the oil. This oil is set on medium flame, where I am going to be adding all my momos into the oil and let them fry. And you can just twist it after 2 to 3 minutes at each of the side. Remove the momos one by one when you feel that it's ready to get out. Our momos are ready. So let's serve it with Szechuan sauce, which gives a perfect taste. This is very delicious, which gives a great crunch, and in every bite you get the taste of the fillings. And our crunchiest veg momo is done. It's ready to eat. So try the same subscribe to our channel, like, comment, share and click the bell icon to never miss the current updated videos. Tata and bye bye.